We need to simplify this algebraic division here. The first thing that we need to observe is in the numerator we have a difference of squares. The root square of 9x squared will be 3x. So 3x when power 2 will give us 9x squared. The square here will be applied to the number 3 that will end up in 9 and to the x that will end up in x squared, right? And the minus 1 that could be expressed like 1 squared. And the one below is a trinomial, as you observe. It's a trinomial of the way ax squared plus bx plus c. So we need to find, first of all, two numbers that when multiply each other, I will write them here and here, that will multiply each other, give you 9x squared. We can start with 3x and 3x. So this will give us 3 by 3, 9, and x by x squared. And we need to find other two numbers here, to write them here and here, that when multiply each other give us minus 2. And one should be positive and one should be negative, right? Because minus by plus is minus. But they should be multiplied in such a way that when the result of this number here by 3x and the result of this multiplication and the result of this other multiplication should give you the coefficient or the term in the middle, with the one with the x. I can start, for example, by saying 1 and minus 2. If we multiply like this, we will get minus 2 by 3x will be minus 6x, right? And 3x by 1 is 3x. And the sum of these two will end up in minus 6x plus 3x will give us minus 3x. That is exactly what we were looking for, you see? So this factorization is correct. So what will happen with the numerator? If we have a difference of squares, this could be factorized as conjugate binomials. This is, I will take the first coefficient, 3x, as it is without the square, minus 1, the second term, and then I will repeat the same but changing the sign in the middle. This will be 3x plus 1. This is the factorization of a difference of squares. Then we have in the denominator, as we wrote before, 3x minus 2 and 3x plus 1. You observe that we have exactly the same factor in the denominator as it is in the numerator, 3x plus 1, 3x plus 1. These two will go away. The result of this division is 1, so we can just simply eliminate them. And now we have as a result 3x minus 1 divided by 3x minus 2, as is written here. So this is the result.